Alrighty guys, this is the Audi S4 2004 model B6. Nice and clean. I did some work to do the lights because the lights were on due to the aftermarket LEDs that I had. So I replaced all those bulbs, so there's no more lights on the dash. I'm going to show you that now. A lot of people are asking about that. It's, simple, LEDs, but you got to do what the people want, give them what they need so they can feel comfortable. And this is it. Audi S4. Let's go inside here. Nice and clean. As you can see, nice trunk area. Seats are immaculate. Look good. Let's go in here. Everything is clean inside. As you can see, we got the winter mats there. All custom for the car. Recaro seats. Black leather interior. Metallic silver on the outside, or gray. And then black inside with the, I don't know if that's walnut or whatever. Has the, what you call it? Rear curtains. There we go. Same thing here. It's good. Sun is finally coming back out. Nice interior. We have navigation. So it has all the amenities. We upgraded the radio. Alright, so that doesn't come with this model, but it's upgraded. It's fully integrated. Works perfectly. Tires are new. Brand new tires. Let's see if you can see some of this tread pattern here. Alright, so that's it. Nice and brand new. Armstrong. Brand new tires. Brand new tires all around. I have the front Euro plate delete on the bumper. Driver side clean. Seats are in great condition. Some bolstering cracking, but that can be buffed out or rubbed with some nice special oil. Before I started, let me okay, driver side and the rear, same curtain. There we go, clean, nice and clean. Nice German stud. All right, let's look at this now. This is the interior. Kind of start it. Alright, has a short shifter. See all the lights. So the only light that stays on is the airbag. Everything is okay. The radio. So the radio works. It's on. So get to see that. Now the sun is out, so it's kind of blocking, but you can see everything is there. No more lights. I'm going to turn the lights on with the fog lights. And you'll see it there. I'll actually put the fog light in the back also below the wheel so you can see no lights came on, no warning. Airbag light is still on, but that's something that has to be fixed. It's some intermittent issue. But yeah. Let's see what this navigation, enter navigation. You got the info. You can press here, navigation. Shows you right there. Hit return. So destination and stuff like that. So all that stuff works. Alright, no destination area. Alright, the lights are on. Let's see. See the lights are on. There's fog lights. Lights on. You see the
fog light, rear fog light on the passenger side. It tells us how they run. So it's good to go. Nice and clean. Interior. Same interior. Audi S4. Brake upgrade. Front. Brake upgrade in the front. New brake pads in the back. So you can leave a comment, subscribe. Many more cars coming up. Woo, peek, what's that? All right, guys, enjoy.